What's up, guys? I hope everyone's having an awesome day. I hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to go ahead and do a demo of the Adams glass cleaner. So actually did a unboxing of this, and if you want to check that out, you can go ahead and check that out on my channel. But let's go ahead and give this a try right after this. Alright guys, so this is my Huion monitor. I wanted to go ahead and try it. This is the tablet that I usually use to draw on, and I always get smudges and accumulate dust, so I wanted to go ahead and give the product a try on here. Alright guys, so I wanted to go ahead and read some literature on here. It says the Adams Glass Cleaner is an incredible, effective product that removes stubborn films and haze from interior and exterior windows, mirrors, navigation screens, and is safe for all types of tints. Adams Glass Cleaner also works great around the home. Cleans and lubricates without streaking or smearing. Provides added slickness and clarity. Suitable for all surfaces including tint windows and tablet screens. So here I am in the bathroom, and here's a mirror that always seems to get dirty, and you can see like there's kind of like streaking from where I had probably cleaned last. So we're gonna go ahead and try the product here. And the nozzle does switch to a spray, but for some reason I just sprayed it with stream instead. So the product did really well on my screen and on the mirrors, which I'm so happy with because I always have trouble with this particular mirror. So here we are outside. The windows are really dirty. I haven't washed it in about a week. It's been raining on and off. So I was like, hey, you know what? Let's just go ahead and see if this product will clean it the way that it is right now. Alright, so I was really impressed with the way that it cleaned the outside, especially it being as dirty as it was. Overall, this product just did really well. I'm really happy with it because I've tried a lot of glass cleaners, and a lot of them do not live up to the standards that they put on the label. So, Adams, great job. I think I found my favorite window cleaner so far. So awesome. It's really great. And I love the fact that you can use it on your navigational screens, and you can use it on it didn't say that I could use it on monitors or computer monitors. I went ahead and tried it anyway, even on my Apple computer, and it seemed to do really well. Alright guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.